Hey there! Let's dive into a big shakeup in the tech world. You've probably heard the buzz or seen the trending hashtags. Twitter, the beloved platform known for its iconic bluebird and quick-fire messages, is no more. That's right, it's time to say goodbye to Twitter and hello to X. Now, if this feels like a sudden switch, you're not alone. One morning, we all woke up to news that Twitter, now owned by Elon Musk, had been rebranded to X. And with this change comes a whole new way of interacting online. So, what's with the name X? Well, it seems Elon Musk has been quite fond of this letter. Remember his company SpaceX, or even his child named XAEA-12? It's clear he has a thing for this mysterious and futuristic letter. The rebranding kicked off with a new logo that was unveiled in the wee hours of the morning. It's simple, clean, and fits right into what you'd expect from a modern tech company. But here's the kicker. Along with the new name and logo, the terminology has changed too. No more tweets, folks. From now on, it's X's. Yes, you heard that right. But wait, there's more. Musk envisions X as an everything app. Think of it as a one-stop shop for audio, video, messaging, payments, and even banking. It's an ambitious plan to create a global marketplace for not just ideas, but goods, services, and opportunities as well. Despite these sweeping changes, some old features linger. The blue button to post still says tweet, the search bar invites you to search Twitter. And yes, the website URL remains twitter.com. It seems the full transformation to X will be gradual. And in typical Musk style, the app's new tagline in the Apple App Store now reads, "Blaze your glory." A nod perhaps to the fiery ambition behind this rebranding. It's a bold move, and as with all changes, it's garnered mixed reactions. Some are excited about the possibilities of an everything app, while others are nostalgic about losing the familiar chirp of the Twitter bird. What does this mean for us, the users? It's a shift, certainly. A shift towards a more integrated, possibly more invasive tech ecosystem. But it's also a chance to redefine how we interact with the digital world. Will X become the new norm? Or will this bold gamble by Musk fail to take flight? Only time will tell. For now, let's keep our eyes peeled and our minds open. Goodbye, Twitter. Hello, X. Let's see what adventures await in this new era of social media. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on how X evolves. Catch you in the next video!